For my Pi Day project, I have the subject of Star Trek and pi. In the upcoming clip, Spock tells the computer to calculate to the last digit of pi, which we all know is impossible because pi is an irrational number. Let's see what happens.
Compulsory scan unit built into the computer banks?
Yes, we do, Captain, but with the entity in control.
Well, aren't there certain mathematical problems which simply cannot be solved?
Indeed. If we could focus the attention of the computer on one of them.
That ought to do it.
Computer, this is a Class A compulsory directive. Compute to the last digit the value of pi. As we know, the value of pi is a transcendental figure without resolution. The computer banks will work on this problem to the exclusion of all else until we order it to stop.
Yes, that should keep that thing busy for a while.
Just a moment ago, we saw Spock say that pi is a transcendental number. A transcendental number is another way of saying irrational number. Irrational numbers are important in the history of mathematics. Their investigation provided the first proof that circle solving was insolvable. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed as fractions. Irrational numbers also have decimal expansions that neither terminate nor become periodic, which means marked by repeated cycles of numbers. Until the invention of computers, the largest amount of accurate digits recorded was 527 in 1874. In 1949, the first modern computer was invented. It was called ENIAC, which means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, but it could only calculate pi out to 2037th decimal place, and it took 70 hours. In 1967, the record became 500,000 digits. The record then became 2.7 trillion digits of pi in 2009. And the most recent record is 10 trillion digits of pi by Alexander Yi and Shishiro Koda. Judging by what we have heard about pi, it's no wonder why the computer in Star Trek went crazy after being told to calculate to the last digit of pi. We also learned that, like infinity, pi does not have an end. We learned a little bit about the history of calculating pi. Our computers are far more advanced than the computers envisioned in 1966 Star Trek. Thanks for watching, and have a great Pi Day.